So friends, here is an Sony 49-inch LED TV. Comes with a 3 times blink, 1, 2 and 3. You are watching this. I am Prodip from Kolkata. Here is the model number 49X8000G. So let me open the TV and I will let you know what is the problem. So friends, I opened the TV. Here is the model number KD-49X8000G. Here is power distribution circuit, backlight driver circuit, and sound section, and the voltage regulator section. So from there the voltage is coming here in the motherboard, and this is the panel. Okay, the panel number is hidden. Okay, here is the model number, by the way. Here you can see, and here should be a 5-volt supply, but I found this missing. I have found this supply missing, and the cause of this IC's enable pin is this one. From this register, 3.3 volt will be enable signal will be generated from the processor, and it will distribute through this register, 27K register or something. So I have found this register open, so there is no 5 volt. I have shorted with my tweezer, and the set was on for some time. Okay, let me open this register and make a register replacement, and I will let you know.
So I switched into the microscope. I applied some flux, and I am turning on the hot air station with the help of this heat gun or hot air station, and the help of the tweezer. I am trying to remove this open resistor. You can use any kind of 4.7K or 10K resistor. I actually know the actual value of this resistor was 27K. I did from the datasheet. Okay, by the way, I have a scrap motherboard, 24-inch LED TV motherboard. I removed an 4.7K resistor, and I am placing this, holding it with tweezer. It's kind of little hard job because the tweezer is also touching in the microscope. So it's after some effort, I successfully connected the resistor, replaced the resistor. This value is 4.7K, the resistor value.
So as you see guys, I replaced the resistor with the hot air station. I replaced the resistor with the 4.7K resistor. It would work for nice. Okay, now let's see what is the condition, and I will let you know. So as you seen in previous clip, I changed this resistor, and the 5-volt condition is now okay. The 5-volt is okay. This 5-volt is also okay. Here should be the core supply 1.02. This is also okay. And here is the 3.3 volt standby supply. It is also okay. Here is an 1.8 volt RAM supply. It's also working. And this is the panel supply, 12 volt. So let me and guess what, the TV is running fine. Let's see. You can see here is showing HDMI 3, ARC, no signal. Okay, let me assemble the TV and I will let you know what is the condition. So I did assemble the TV and turning on, and the Sony logo appears. The TV is running fine. There is no kind of that problem. 3 times blink. I removed this. So if you have any kind of LCD, LED, Android Smart TV, or if you are a technician, you can please call us on our number in the description and pin comment section. So thanks you for watching. The TV is working fine. I am Prodip from Kolkata, and let me turn on a video. You can see this is the quality is also good. So thank you for watching. Okay, stay healthy. Goodbye.